hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I sort of got my computer back. Okay, I picked it up today, so I'm still working through some things. But I wanted to get this done because, as you can see, this is like, yeah, this should have been done before, and I apologize dearly. This is from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and from Tina over there, and she did this beautiful 4th of July pocket letter for me, and you can see where she did some of her mixed media art on the envelope. I can't show you the other side because that's got her name on it, but this is just a manila envelope that she painted and stamped and stuff for me. And then inside of it, and I'll be honest, I opened this live on camera and my camera wasn't working, so let me show you what came in there. So there was this beautiful pocket letter. Look at, isn't he cute? I love him. He's like Santa Claus Uncle Sam. And then there's this little firecracker, which has got a little string coming out, and this little firecracker, which I think she made by rolling paper. And then there's the American flag and these nice big dimensional stickers on here, and some beautiful red, white, and blue seam bindings. Love it. Look at this, pretty. Like it's like a firework on the page, and all of these jewels. And then on the other side, because Tina does both sides, this is the more flat side, but you can see she's got all these beautiful stickers and stuff here, and the beautiful papers, and just absolutely gorgeous. And then she always puts this little card in that has her address and everything on it, and like her favorite colors, and the kind of art that she's doing right now, which is really cool. And then in there was this little card that she made for me, and that's just a mason jar with a little bow and a rosette. It says 4th of July, and then on the inside it just says, have a happy 4th of July from Tina, and she did this little punch effect on the side here, which I love. It's adorable. And then there was this, and this is an altered clothespin. If you've never done these, they're relatively easy to do. We'll cover some of them. This one's pretty basic. This one's just washi tape that she applied on here, and looks like this may have come blue already, because usually you'll get paint on the hinge. Other that, or she's the neatest painter I've ever seen. And then there was this, which is made out of some scrapbook paper that she just used some washi tape to seal around the outside, and she covered it in stickers. And there is all kinds of goodies in there. There are some red, white, and blue straws and some ribbon, and then there's this USA sticker and a bunch of these are like foam stickers, and these are like little toothpick things for like cupcakes and stuff, which are really great. And then she put these in there, and these are old Fred Meyer. These are like really old stickers, vintage type stuff. And then there's some red, white, and blue US outlines, and oh, she made these little like rosette ephemera pieces and these little holographics, and I love this. Look at this. This is like really lightweight burlap, but it's a wired ribbon, and it's got the American flag like ironed on there, like an iron-on, and I love that. That is gorgeous. And then there's some vintage stickers in there that say God bless our troops. There's a little red, white, and blue mason jar. There's some other things in here too. There are some little metallic ones, and look at this button. And then there's another little embellishment, and there's some more vintage stickers, and some more ribbon and stuff in there, and just all kinds of stuff that she put in this little bag, because obviously she can't put anything in the pockets. But she sent me all this stuff, which is really cool, because I have a Christmas in July that I need to do, and realized I don't have a whole lot of July stuff. So I may use some of this stuff in a project, and that is, after all, what we do the sharing for, is so that we can use it, right? So that was the stuff that Tina sent me, and this is from the swaps that we do in the swap group that we started just for members of Bemis Crafty Corner, and it's called Swapping Across America. And or swapping across the U.S., something like that. But I'll put a link down below. It's a Facebook group where we do swaps, and so far we've done like single signature journals, and we've done some pocket letters, and we've done some altered stuff. So you know, if it's something that you want to do, and you want to do it with a group of people that you actually know, and you know that I will guarantee that you'll get your swaps, go ahead and sign up for that. That's a great little group we have. And again, I apologize to Tina. I actually got that the day after my computer went done, and I was sitting on it forever, and I tried to open it, and then the camera didn't work, and yeah, so I had to redo it all over again. But that's it, guys. Listen, I will be back live soon, and expect to see videos back on our regular every Monday. And I apologize for being, for disappearing on you guys for a few days, but I am back now, and I will see you all soon. Until then, do me a favor, stay safe. Bye-bye.